Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nikki and this is my 2010 EVO 10 MR. Cue montage. If y'all are new here, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with all our adventures. And if you are already subscribed, thank you guys, y'all are the best. I get a lot of questions asking what's done to my car and how much power it's making, so I decided I would just do a whole video on everything that's done to it and how much power it's making to answer all y'all's questions. I figured we would start today off with the exterior. There's not much done to the exterior. I really focused under the hood more than I did the exterior, so this will go by pretty quick. I did change the headlights, so new headlights, a wrap. It is originally white. I wrapped it. It is peeling up, so because the material's not very good, so I am going to get it rewrapped pretty soon. It came with raised wheels that need to be touched up, but honestly, I also have been thinking about getting new wheels completely, so blue doesn't go with a lot of things, and depending on the wrap that I get, the blue is just not gonna work. Other than that, that's pretty much it for exterior. We can just hop right into the performance mods. To start off, we have a 3.5-inch intake. I do get all my work done by Cosmic. They do a really good job and they take care of my car, so I trust them completely with all the work on my car. Coming from the intake, we have a 3582 spec turbo. It is a bigger turbo in a stock housing. Really like this new turbo. It makes a huge difference, and the reason I replaced it was because my old turbo had a crack in the exhaust housing, so I had to get it replaced anyway, so might as well upgrade. And while we're still back here by the turbo, as you can see, we have a tubular exhaust manifold. Same deal with the turbo. The old exhaust manifold had a crack in it, so luckily they were able to replace this while they were replacing the turbo. I bought it used, so there's still the old wrap on it. What I'm thinking about doing is when I start getting more into the cosmetics, I'm just going to unwrap it and maybe ceramic coat it. While we are on the topic of parts that were broken, while they were replacing all the parts back here, they realized that the open dump downpipe was broken. I went ahead and got it replaced with a MAP open dump downpipe. That was a nice surprise, finding out that literally everything was broken when I just wanted to replace one thing. Following this down to the next one is a gold front mount intercooler. This actually came with the car. It's probably one of the last things that is still on the car from the old owner. Other mods that you can't see, it does have upgraded camshafts. I don't remember exactly which ones they are. It is one of the other things that is still on the car from the previous owner. We also have the MyVec delete. The camshaft phaser actually broke, and so instead of replacing that, we just did the MyVec delete. That's pretty much it for all the motor mods. It does have a Cosmic built trans with a 12-disc clutch pack. It is good up to 600 wheel horsepower on a Mustang dyno. Now we're going to get into the car. It used to be just tuned on E85. I went ahead and got a flex fuel system installed and also got this triple gauge pod installed that shows me my boost pressure, my AFRs, ethanol percentage, oil temp, all that good stuff. That's pretty much it for all the mods. The next big question is, how much power am I making? When I got it tuned, it made 450 on a Mustang dyno, and from what I am told, that's about 500 on a dyno jet. I'm extremely happy with everything that's done to the car and how much power it's making. It performs so much better than it used to now that everything is replaced and fixed. I'm excited to start on the exterior of the car and just making it look really nice on the outside as well. But that pretty much concludes the video. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, and we will catch you on the next video.